Stop waiting. Start your channel before 2026 ends. If you've been sitting on the idea of starting a YouTube channel, I'm going to be honest with you. You're running out of excuses. Not because YouTube is dying, it's the opposite. The opportunity is still wide open, but it won't stay this shape forever. Every year that passes, starting gets a little harder. More creators show up. More AI tools flood the space. Viewer expectations climb. And the people who wait until next year will be competing against everyone who had the courage to start this year. That's why I genuinely believe you should start before 2026 ends. The real advantage isn't skill, it's time. Here's something most people never realize. The biggest edge on YouTube isn't talent or equipment, it's time. Time gives you data. Time teaches you what your audience actually wants, not what you assume they want. Time lets your old videos keep pulling in views while you're off making new ones. None of that can be rushed. You can't shortcut it. You have to earn it, one upload at a time. When I look back at my first videos, they were rough. Average thumbnails, basic editing, scripts that wandered all over the place. But those early uploads taught me things no course, no AI tool, and no guru ever could. The cost of waiting. Picture this. You wait another year to post your first video. A year from now, you're still at zero videos, zero feedback, zero experience. Meanwhile, someone who started today could have 50 videos live, a real subscriber base, and a sharp sense of what actually works. That's the cost of waiting, and it's steeper than most people admit. People love to say they'll start once they get a better camera, once they learn editing, once life calms down. But YouTube doesn't reward perfect plans sitting in a notes app. It rewards people who publish, adjust, and do it again. AI raised the stakes. Here's the twist. AI has made content creation faster than ever. One person can now do what used to take a small team. If you're already creating, that's a massive advantage. If you're still waiting, it's dangerous because everyone else is speeding up while you're standing still. The barrier to making asterisk videos has dropped. The barrier to asterisk standing out has gone up. The earlier you start building those skills, the better your odds of building something that lasts. You don't need to have it figured out. Here's the part that should take the pressure off. Your first video doesn't need to go viral. Your first 100 subscribers don't need to arrive fast. You don't even need to know your exact niche yet. You just need enough momentum to become the kind of person who shows up and uploads consistently. Everything else, the clarity, the audience, the opportunities, comes after that. Looking back at my own journey, the biggest breaks came from videos I almost didn't post. One upload led to the next. One viewer became hundreds. One reply in my inbox became an opportunity I never expected. None of it happens until you hit publish. One promise. If you're watching this before 2026 ends, make yourself one promise. Upload your first video. Or if you've already started, upload the next one. Don't let this year close out with another folder full of half-finished ideas. Join the community. If this gave you the push you needed, drop a like and subscribe. YouTube can genuinely change your life, but only after you give it the chance. See you in the next one.